Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure advanced order types on Kraken Pro. Quick tutorial step by. To begin, log in to your Kraken Pro account. Navigate to the trading interface by selecting Trade from the main menu. Choose the market you wish to trade in by selecting from the list or searching for a specific asset. Once you're in the right market, locate the order form on the right side of your screen. Start by selecting the type of order you want to configure. For advanced order types, select Advanced from the Order Type drop-down menu. You will see options for limit, stop loss, take profit, and other advanced orders. Select Limit if you want to set a specific price at which to buy or sell. Input your desired price in the price field. Enter the amount of the asset you wish to buy or sell in the amount field. If you select Stop Loss, input the trigger price that will activate your order. Then, specify the limit price at which you wish to sell after the stop loss is triggered. For Take Profit, enter the price at which you want to secure your profits. Configure the amount for the Take Profit order similarly to the others. Pay attention to the Good Till Duration options, which dictate how long your order remains active. Choose Good Till Cancelled for a persistent order or select a specific time frame if you want it to expire. Review all of your order details to ensure accuracy. When everything looks correct, click the Place Order button to submit your configuration. Monitor your orders in the management panel to track their status and make adjustments if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.